Let's divide 40 by 2. The super math stars. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 40 by 2. We'll take it one step at a time. We look at the first divid of 40, which is 4. We don't need to carry anything ever yet. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You got it, it's 2. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We're doing great. Woohoo, we found the first divid of our answer. You're doing awesome. We've used the first divid. Now let's move to the next divid in 40. Here we get second step. We're almost there. We bring down the next divid from 40, which is 0. Now we have 0 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 0? That's right, 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0, easy peasy. Subtracting 0 from 0 gives us 0. We've got now remainder. Fantastic work. You solved it like a math superstar. We've used all the divids and our answer is 20. We did it. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle long division step to step. Remember, every problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. See you next time on Let's Stud.